Kasora kajaka baju slap tam hapertai. Kabadap di kilum ki klau bajurngam, bat ki kshad banu arimpum. Kede kajaka jngohkai pertai bakring na pedeng ki jaka jngohkai hapok ke jela Meghalaya. Bat ki briu ni ki nongshang suari na keleng ki jaka kari bat bari rukumju ki terang dik ban poi syakani kajaka ba itiang kari lum khasi. Hendrai kini kajaka bapaunam ke baju shlai di ki riuit mariang menta kelas dang kenja slam. Namar ke jingrit mensim jong ki nongshang suari benwan chakani kajaka. Kini kajing Hiar kensan ha kajing wan kai ki nongshang sawari kakta abhaya ki nongshang shnong kathan ki ba im jakpo na ki kam jngohkai ki belamat ya kajing Hiran bat kajing Hiar bonsha ka kamai ka kajih. Kini baro kawan jia harin kajing jia ba 800 tarik naitung kasngi ka ba kaseng Newtrap National Youth Front kalami ban pakhang lenti bat pin pilot ya baro ki kali tourist ba wan na asam ha kathan tingar.
Mendon yo pinta ka. Ba tourist im dam tem ang tip na kay kada. Tip ya khang gi tip bila nam tip re nai ke. Na dai te ka baros kata pat kan kali du na nei sia kada beja. Ladu ka kisni pat kala aduna ki. Cayu te me ayak trani ke me sana mo. Baru ain. Ki dembah sang dukan ki bi ina te. Da ki man.
Tip mo ne ai kada ru. Ban nhiều ban ki bre te ngim la ban nhiều mo. Na ka syong ha kasni kan. Tengah ngaski ong na ba lakut ka syuti teng kaya ya sang banduna maka kut ka syuti holiday jengke. Lada kimwan te ngim la bande.
Kajungan tourist kala adunan maba nero beti akhi into ga jing khangla de kali sam ke nan sini ka dan kajing duna jing kinongwan te square kinong de jing de sini ro ram dan nongwan te kamut la suan songka sini dat la de sini apa te kidun kisi badan tang apo ka tang la kispa te kidun kisi bapalat hajaru ki kali ka hadu ba parking sete kamya kali sini ro pirong marba labon kinongwan suwa jong tu ka jingja ka beja po tengah tu hadin jing tu jingja pengi iba ka dan ke jing duna ki kali asam ke mi awan su sini mata da ki kali Meghalaya ni we are ki bawan sangat ta
Kakin hon keslam kala Hiar let kai menta ka tayo syaki katu kat ni ki jaka jngohkai bakring briu bha hasora bat syab begini ki jaka kila kenja bha ha kajing don ki nongwan kai ha ba yunujar wat tang ha ka tayo ga litnyo kajaka ba paunam kum kan no kalikai ka bajudan de kispa angut kinongwan kai ha kisngi poya ba de ki hajar ha kisngi kut tayo minta kila yo itang ha padeng shipho ar phongut gibrio ya ka jingjia ba ar phondrio tarik la dep ben henry ke ga brajia kala kta bha ki babun ki nongshang suwari kalit pha shala yeng namar ka jingtieng bat bundu kila pin pep no ya ka jingthmu banwan kai shakani ka jaka henry ha padeng kini ki ki dangdon pat katu kat ni ki nongshang suwari na kelengkari ki dangwan kai Meghalaya namar ka jingkring ki saudong saukun be itiang bat ka jingpengat ka sengreng.
Really wonderful. Yeah, actually that places we are not familiar with this area, much familiar. And earlier generally we visit to north side or south side. First time we come to east side, and this is wonderful place.
Do you recommend other people to come to Shillong?
Definitely. This is wonderful place, and everyone who love nature, they should come to visit this place. Just I think. And this is not popular place in our area. And I will suggest to everyone that at least they should visit once in a life. Whenever they will visit here, they will like to come again and again.
यहाँ पे आके यहाँ का जो मतलब मौसम और यहाँ के जो बादल अब मतलब कोई उसकी बारे में वर्ड्स नहीं कहा जा सकते कि कितना खूबसूरत है। आज हम लोगों ने देखा, कल से हम लोग यहाँ आए हुए हैं और वंडरफुल, मतलब जितना तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम। और हम सबसे कहना चाहेंगे यहाँ आओ, क्योंकि हम लोग यहाँ उधर इतना पॉपुलर नहीं था, लेकिन जब इधर हम पहुंचे हैं उसके बाद हम कह सकते हैं कि सबको कि बहुत बहुत खूबसूरत और बहुत नेचुरल ब्यूटी जो है वो इस यहाँ पे मेघालय में है, और मेघालय इज वंडरफुल।
We are from Guwahati.
How long have you been in Shillong?
We came yesterday. Yesterday.
Which date you will be staying?
No, we are leaving now.
How do you feel like Shillong?
It's very nice. Weather was very nice.
So they were saying like in Assam that Assamese people, Assam vehicles are facing problem here in Meghalaya.
No, we don't have that one.
Are you feeling safe in Meghalaya?
Yeah, we are safe. Very beautiful and very clean city.
How do you find the people of Meghalaya?
Very good.
How do you find the people of Khasi people? How do you interact with the shopkeepers, Khasi
No.
locals?
Nature was very
How
good.
do you find the food and all?
Good. It was good.
खाने के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, सूप भी अच्छा है और करी भी अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है। नया होटल है, फिर भी बहुत अच्छा है, ये प्लेस में मिलना बहुत अच्छा है। यहाँ से मैं असम से देखते आ रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा है फूड।
Where you from? Where you from?
आई एम फ्रॉम हैदराबाद।
And how do you find the local Khasi people here?
अभी कुछ से भी नहीं मिला हम।
But how do you find the environment? Is it safe to travel? Is it tourist friendly?
हाँ बहुत अच्छा है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं, वेरी गुड, ये तो बहुत अच्छा है।
One more thing, this ambience of this restaurant is very good. We can say it's the best place. We have to thanks to our person or their driver who has bring us here. Uppal Das.
How many days will be coach driver?
We will be here for 5 days. It's a good place and we can enjoy a lot. Just now we have visited Kamai temple on yesterday. We are moving to this Cherrapunji. Cherrapunji now. We will be here for 2 days overall. We have booked one resort, but everything is fine and we are so happy.
I'm from Guwahati and I came here for like hangout, and it's like so pretty, it's so beautiful place. I just want to live here but like I can't. But yeah, it's so
How do you
very
find the
pretty.
hospitality in Shillong?
Yeah, it's like people here are so kind and like they are so like loving. So yeah.
Did you read the news about Assam vehicle has been banned?
Yeah.
But do you feel any pressure from Assam or coming to Shillong?
No.
Like there's no fear now.
No, not at all.
Do you think that you'll come back to Shillong?
Yeah, obviously, for sure.
Kajingkali hi kalami bahatu ka kam jngohkai kan nang thnem hasora. Ki trai shnong ki don kajingkermen ki nonya kali tourist ki la khmi lenti yakata. But ki nong di jing di ki la thrang yakata. Ka sarkar but ki kinhun seng bhalang ki de ben le ya kanu ka kam da ka ba perkhat sari bha. Lem kumta kan urlong ka ktien. Kat badang ya lempat ki hati nang yap ki plang.